Hello everybody, nice to be here again. And today I'm gonna talking to you nursing, Bachelor of Healthcare Nursing in Finland studies. I have one University Applied Science, what I'm gonna talking about. They have a couple different kinds admission and three different campus. And the University Applied Science is XAMK and the cities are Mikkeli and Kotka and Savonlinna, and I'm gonna talking more about them soon. But who is really first time here? My name is John, and my channel is John of Finland, and you are totally welcome to my channel. But let's go to this school. I'm gonna share my screen with you, and then I'm talking more about the studies. So this is cool website xank.fi. So this is in Finnish and you click just here in English. And education and degrees, click here. And then we choose bachelor degrees and search by keywords. Or I do this more easy way. Field of education, healthcare service, and then you just choose in English and church. I don't even put different campus because I want to show same time all of them. So now we get the result. They have Bachelor of Healthcare of Nursing, and it's in Kotka, Mikkeli, and Savonlinna. And this is rolling admission for August. Intakes is coming soon. Is 18th of November 2024 between 28th of February 2025. And then they have, after that, they have spring 2025 first joint application, 8th of January between 22nd January 2025. But same time, they have this Bachelor of Healthcare Nursing top up. It means that if you are already in your own country nursing or healthcare bachelor, or if you have diploma nursing, you can top up your studies in Finland, and then you are recognized and you can get faster your degrees. Is about 1.5 year or 2 years studies, and I recommend it for you people who have already graduated like nursing in outside of European Union, and this is meant for these people. And same time when you study faster, you need to of course pay much less. And they have rolling admission nursing top-up degrees starting 18th of November 2024 between 19th of February 2025. And they have later coming on spring first joint application 2025 application 8th of January between 22nd of January 2025. So, and this top up is only in Mikkeli, but Mikkeli is also same time biggest campus of XAMK. XAMK have also campus in Kouvola, but they don't have nursing studies there. So you can same time apply rolling admission. Example here, if you wanna apply Bachelor of Healthcare Nursing, you can only when it's rolling admission same University Applied Science, you can only XAMK apply one. You cannot apply three campus, only one choose. And then when the spring 2025 first joint application is coming, then you can apply all of them three. So, and you can first apply this rolling, choose just one campus, and then after you can take this joint application, then you have much better chance. But still, I recommend that you who have already nursing degree or diploma in your own country, you get recognition faster in Finland and you get studies faster. And these studies also included Finnish and English both. They are like bilingual studies. They are more start in English and then they gradually put more emphasis to Finnish language. It's not only separated courses, it's included training, it's included also other courses like they mixed Finnish there. So then you naturally learn Finnish, and when you start the Finnish working life, it's much easy and much easier you get work. And same time when you get the studies here, it's acceptable whole European Union and European Economic Area, your degree. And then we go a little bit forward. I saw this quickly here. So Bachelor of Healthcare, next application rolling admission is again, so apply to Kotka, study info, or apply in Savonlinna. And I could say, I believe that people apply more Kotka because it's closer in Helsinki, is only about 1.5 hours by car, and Savonlinna is a little bit more far away. I just checked out something 3.5 hours, even 4 hours from Helsinki by car. It is smaller city, and the Mikkeli is still biggest, and you can apply now, like rolling application, and later when it's joint application, you can apply both. And put example, if you wanna go Savonlinna, put it first, and it depends where you wanna study, and you can also check out about these cities. I have made some videos about Savonlinna a bit, and same time, if you wanna guarantee to get studies, I think that Savonlinna is easy here to get in than Kotka. And there you can find tuition fees. Bachelor of degrees is 10,700 euros academic year for students from outside of EU, European Economic Area and Finland. You can read here. And here you can read more about this top-up nursing program. So they're talking about here. This is that about full-time studies here now. You can apply criteria. But this is when is that rolling up? Sorry, I mean in upcoming period is coming in January. The starting places in Kotka is 50 place, and same also in Savonlinna. And both length education is 3.5 years. And there you can read more about that. I try to keep this quite short. I just give you information about this website and career opportunities. And then I go back here. And then example, I can take these other studies here. Alright, I tried to get in here, but it's not working. So I go back where I was earlier, where. So this is that. And I want to take Bachelor of Healthcare Nursing top up. And this is that campus is in Mikkeli. I click here. And nursing top up, Bachelor of Healthcare. Nursing top up program is meant for you if you have Bachelor of Nursing degree or diploma level qualification in nursing completed outside of Finland. This top up degree program in nursing will lead to Bachelor of Healthcare Nursing, and So it's recognized in Finland, Valvira recognizes it, and it's also you can work in then Finland and European Union. And they're talking more about here, and they're talking again. If you are not yet having nursing degree, you can apply to our nursing program. Just what I earlier saw you there. This go back there, and next admission period is just 18th of November starting. So prepare yourself. All diplomas is, if you don't have translated in English example, you can translate them now. And if you don't have done, if you need a language certificate, you can see everything here what you need. And this is the tuition fees, and they're talking more about this here. So is Bachelor level 10,700 euro academic year, and how to pay in tuition fees you can find here more information, and exemption from tuition fees. Just read carefully. A refund policy if there is some reason. Tuition fee and resident permits. They're talking here about this, and Finland have changed in this law, and so if you have resident permit for studies in Finland, you require to have assessment means and funds 9,600 euros for 1 year study to support yourself during the studies in addition to paying the tuition fee. So read carefully also this Mikkeli website. I can include the Mikkeli website in this subscription box, and just please read carefully that you don't miss nothing important here. And of course you can also here you just click and you can get this website open. It's really important to read all information that you don't miss nothing, and that's why they don't give you negative decision. And they talk in early bird discount. The early bird scholarship is 10% discount if on the tuition fee the first year in XAMK, and study process you can get like for it, and XAMK award they have also for that. Read about that. When you qualify for the scholarship based on study process progress and accumulate some points, you can get some 25 or 30% or 35% of school your these payments. And then studies in Finnish language and culture, you can get some also scholarship for that. Is per year is 200 euros. And scholarship for humanitarian reason for Ukrainians is here about talking about. So now I'm gonna show you. So we are in Helsinki's here, and if I put example public joukkoliikenne in Finnish is 2 hours about 40 minutes, 2 hours 50 minutes, and by car is to Mikkeli about 2 hours and 30 minutes. And then if I wanna show you in Savonlinna, so Savonlinna is by car. You go here, it's about 3 hours 40 minutes, 3 hours 38 minutes. It means that if I start to go driving now, but because it's evening or night, it's less traffic. But if you calculate it a bit more, and you can drive in fastest way here. And then it was also Kotka. Kotka is here, and is about 1 hour 30 minutes from Helsinki is closest, but it may be maybe second biggest campus, if I remember right when I read, and Mikkeli is maybe a little bit more international. They have also its only city. I think that Kotka, Savonlinna, and Mikkeli. Mikkeli, they have also university campus there. They have Aalto University campus, and then they have LUT University uh, campus there, uh, if I remember right. Actually, at least they have this Aalto, and now I have to take my word back if it's not LUT. But at least they have university campus there, and it's more international. And when I did that uh, study places, study cities in Finland, I mentioned about Mikkeli there, and it was on the list top 10. You can get more information from there. So I turn back to camera. I just want to give you a small hint and overlook about this school and get to you know that there's nursing studies coming and application uh, uh, starting soon. So prepare really all your papers, translated them, and check out all what they're asking, because when is top up, or when is rolling admission, or when is this joint application, rules are a little bit different. This was video meant to be really short and tell you about this opportunity. And because nursing is really needed in Finland, and actually it's needed whole Europe, and I think that whole world, they are missing like nursing. And when you do this nursing studies, I'm sure that you get to work. So this time I will not say you very much thank you that you watching my video, and please of course thumbs up and like my video, like my channel, share, also share in social media. I wanna growing with you together, and I wanna say thank you all your comment and what a positive comment I have got for you people. I wanna always look in new opportunities for you and different kind of education for you people. Thank you so much. Bye bye.